This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Ever had that sinking feeling when your fridge suddenly stops humming? Or your washing machine gives up mid-cycle? It's a huge headache, right? Well, behind every restored convenience is a skilled appliance repair technician. Because we all rely on our appliances, this career is always in demand, offering stability, flexibility, and some serious growth potential. Nearly 80,000 people are working as appliance repair techs in the US right now, and the industry needs more. So, if you're looking for a hands-on, rewarding profession where no days are the same, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to become an appliance repair technician. Step by step, we'll cover everything from industry research and training to certifications, career paths, and your earning potential. Let's get started. First things first, research. Before you dive in, you need to understand how the appliance repair industry actually works. A little homework now will help you make much smarter decisions later on. So, who are your customers? Primarily, you'll be serving homeowners, landlords, and businesses. Think of a family needing their refrigerator fixed ASAP, a restaurant that can't operate without its commercial oven, or a property manager juggling repairs for multiple rental units. Next, what services will you offer? Appliance repair is a broad field. You could be handling basic fixes like replacing a worn-out belt on a dryer, performing routine maintenance, or even diving into advanced diagnostics for the latest smart appliances. And where will you work? Your location makes a big difference. In urban areas, you'll likely see more compact, high-tech appliances in apartments. In rural areas, you might encounter older, more traditional models. And if you live in a hot, humid region, appliances tend to break down faster, which means more business for you. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to BZ, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. BZ is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of BZ is available in the description box below. Once you have a feel for the market, think about specializing. Focusing on a niche can make you the go-to expert. The most common path is residential appliance repair, working on things like refrigerators, washers, dryers, and microwaves. Or you could go into commercial appliance repair. This involves servicing businesses like restaurants, hotels, and laundromats. The equipment is bigger and more complex, but it can also be more lucrative. A really exciting and growing niche is smart appliance repair. These are your internet-connected fridges and ovens. This requires tech skills, but it's a very profitable area to get into. You could also branch into HVAC systems, which uses similar skills and is essential in places with extreme temperatures. Now let's talk about money, pricing, and earnings. A key thing to remember is that customers will always compare your repair cost to the price of buying a new appliance. So, fair pricing is crucial. For example, an average refrigerator repair might cost between $200 and $300. As a technician, your hourly rate could range from $50 to $125 an hour. Your rates need to balance what the customer is willing to pay with your own skill level and business costs. So, what kind of education do you need? While a formal degree isn't always required, proper training is a game changer. It makes you job ready and builds trust with customers. Many aspiring technicians start with courses at community colleges, vocational schools, or adult education centers. These programs usually cover the essentials, how refrigerators, washers, dryers, and ovens work, along with electrical systems, basic plumbing, and even how to read blueprints. What about certifications and licenses? While not always mandatory for general repairs, getting certified can seriously boost your job prospects. Some states do require a license to operate your business legally, so be sure to check your local regulations. And one non-negotiable? A valid driver's license. You'll be on the road a lot, but nothing beats real-world experience. You can gain this through internships, apprenticeships, or on-the-job training. Many technical programs actually include internships, letting you learn directly from seasoned pros. This hands-on practice is where you truly learn the trade. Let's talk more about certifications, specifically the National Appliance Service Technician Certification, or NASTeC, offered by the International Society of Certified Electronics Technicians. This is a highly respected credential. The NASTeC certification has for specialty areas, refrigeration and air conditioning, cooking appliances, laundry and dishwashing, and a universal technician certification. To get certified, you need to pass a basic skills exam and then at least one specialty exam. If you pass all 4 specialty exams, you earn the NASTeC Universal Technician title. which shows employers and customers that you have a broad range of expertise. It's a fantastic way to stand out. One of the biggest decisions you'll make in this career is whether to work for a company or start your own business. Both paths have their pros and cons. As an independent technician, you have higher earning potential. You set your own prices and your own schedule. However, your income can fluctuate, especially when you're just starting out. As a company-employed technician, you get a consistent paycheck and often benefits, but you have less control over your earnings and daily schedule. There are also different challenges. If you're self-employed, you're not just a technician, you're a business owner. You're responsible for finding customers, marketing, managing finances, insurance, and taxes, all on top of doing the actual repairs. If you work for a company, your main focus is on the repairs. The company handles the business side of things, but you trade that for less flexibility. Think about job security. Independent work depends on your marketing efforts and local demand. Company employment typically offers steadier work and benefits like health insurance. And what about your lifestyle? Self-employment offers flexibility and the freedom to choose your jobs. Company work provides a predictable routine. To make the right choice, ask yourself a few questions. Are you comfortable with the idea of managing a business? Do you need a stable, predictable income, or is flexibility more important? And do you see yourself building your own brand in the long run? Your answers will point you in the right direction. Feeling inspired? Here are your first steps to get started today. First, choose your niche. Do you want to focus on residential, commercial, or smart appliances? Next, research training programs in your area. Look at community colleges and trade schools. Then, calculate the costs of training and create a budget. Finally, make that big decision. Will you aim for employment with an established company or start planning for self-employment? The future of the appliance repair industry is incredibly strong. There's a growing shortage of skilled technicians, which means huge opportunities for new people entering the field. Job growth is projected at 8%, with over 17,000 new jobs expected. Salaries have increased by 11% over the last 5 years. And there are currently over 70,000 job openings across the country. This high demand is largely because of years of underinvestment in trade education, creating a perfect opportunity for you. So, how much can you earn? Your income will depend on your specialization, location, experience, and whether you work for a large or small company. Having advanced skills, especially in smart appliances and IoT systems, can significantly boost your earning potential. If you decide to start your own business, you'll need to account for costs like a work vehicle, tools, equipment, insurance, and marketing. But with a solid client base, you can easily cover these expenses and generate a substantial profit. The growth potential for your own business is virtually unlimited. To succeed long-term, especially on your own, you'll need to develop your business skills. This goes beyond just being good at repairs. You'll need to learn about marketing, sales, customer service, billing, and accounting. Using mobile tech and appliance repair business software can also streamline your operations and improve customer satisfaction. So, where do you start? Here are a few final expert tips. Ask reputable local repair companies where they find and train their technicians. Check Google and Yelp reviews to identify the top employers or competitors in your area. Look for scholarships or employer-sponsored training programs to help with costs. Always carry liability, property, and commercial auto insurance to protect yourself and your business. And seriously consider earning that NASTeC certification to boost your credibility from day one. Becoming an appliance repair technician offers amazing job security, great flexibility, and strong earning potential. It's a career you can build to last. With the right training, experience, and a solid plan, you can create a successful and fulfilling career in an industry that's only going to keep growing. Thanks for watching.